Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You're starting with readiness. Confirm your Polo's model year and that the MIB or instrument cluster supports a speed limiter. This matters because menu names differ. Once done, park safely, handbrake on, and turn ignition to accessory or run mode so systems respond. Next, navigate to the driving aids or cruise menus in the cluster or central screen. Press buttons steadily, not rapidly, to avoid skipping options. You'll see speed limiter or similar. Select it to begin the setup process now. Now you set the limit. Use the right stalk or steering wheel controls to raise or lower the limiter in 1 km/h steps or hold for larger jumps. This gives precise control while driving. Make sure the display shows the chosen number and that the system confirms with a symbol or soft chime. After selecting, check supplementary options. Some Polos let you define minimum or maximum thresholds, resume rules, and warning volume. Change those so the limiter behaves predictably when you accelerate or hit cruise buttons. Finish by testing in a safe, low-speed area. Accelerate gently and confirm the car stops responding past your set speed. That proves it's active. If it doesn't engage, make sure the menu isn't locked, the vehicle software is current, and battery voltage is normal. These often prevent activation. For persistent faults, retrieve fault codes or visit a dealer, and only use diagnostic tools if you understand them, because incorrect settings can disable safety features. Keep notes of any error messages for the technician.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.